Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss remaining part of the operation on decimal numbers.
So after multiplication, we have division of decimal numbers. Like multiplication, division of decimal numbers is also divided into three parts. First is division by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Second is division by a whole number. And third is division by a decimal number. Let's discuss the first part, that is division by 10, 100 and 1000. To solve this type of question, you will follow some rules. You will write the number without the decimal point. Second rule says that shift the decimal point as many places to the left as there are number of zeros in the division. For example, you have to divide 1234.5 by 10. So what the first step says that you will write the number without the decimal point. So you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without the decimal point. Now second step says that shift the decimal point as many places to the left as there are number of zeros in the divisor. In this, 10 is your divisor and it has only 1 zeros. So you will shift the decimal point to the 1 point towards the left. So your decimal point is here and you will shift this decimal point towards the left, that is between 3 and 4. So your answer is 123.45. Next example is you will divide 1234.5 by 100. So first step, you will write this number without the decimal point, and second step says that you have to shift the decimal points towards the left as many as places of zeros in the divisor. So in this you have 2 zeros in the divisor. So you will shift this point to 2 points towards the left, that is between 2 and 3. So your answer is 12.345. Now the next part of division is division by a non-zero whole number. To solve this, you have following steps. First is you will divide the decimal number by the whole number as usual way of division, ignoring the decimal point. Second step says that you will insert the decimal point in the result such that there are equal numbers of the decimal places in the quotient as in the given decimal numbers, that is dividend, which is divided by the non-zero whole number. Let's solve an example to understand these rules. You have to divide 696.63 by 3. The first step is you have to divide the decimal number by the whole numbers, ignoring the decimal point. So just divide 69663 by 3. So your answer is 23221. Now the second step says that you have to insert a decimal point in the result such that there are equal number of decimal places in the quotient as in the given decimal number, that is your dividend. So in this question your dividend is 696.63 and you have two decimal places after the decimal. So you will insert the decimal point in the quotient two places from the right. So your answer is 232.21. Now let's discuss division by a decimal number. In this you will convert both the divisor and the dividend into whole numbers by multiplying them by the same number, such as 10, 100, 1000, etc. Now the second step, you will divide the new dividend by the whole number. Let's solve an example. To understand this, you have to divide 12.1 by 1.1. So what the first step says that you will convert both the divisor and the dividend into whole number by multiplying them by the same number, that is by either by 10, 100 or 1000. So the first step is that you will multiply both the divisor, that is 1.1, and the dividend, that is 12.1 by 10. So multiply 12.1 by 10 and 1.1 by 10, and you will get 121 and 11. Now simply divide the new dividend by the whole number. 121 divided by 11, and your answer is 11.